Waffle, ne?
It's nice and warm there.
Okay.
And over here you can try the flavors of the stroopwafels.
Do you have also this presentation?
Yeah, later on.
Where is it in the?
4:40.
Where is it in the
It's
museum?
in here, but everybody is going to wait outside for the guide.
Aha.
The guide is going to be outside, and
Yeah,
he takes
but
you.
the presentation is upstairs.
No, downstairs.
Ah, okay.
Downstairs,
I
but
see.
you're going on another door.
Okay. Aha. Cool. Das ist wie so eine Wohnung. Ach, da hat es hier noch die Waffeln aus früheren Zeiten.
Lustig, ja.
Ja. Ja, witzig. Echt wie früher eingerichtet. Krass.
Hübsch, gell?
Ja. Krass. Okay. That's the presentation.
Follow everything on the right side.
Okay. Okay. Ja.
Du machst es nicht.
Demonstration. Okay. Okay.
Oi.
Aha. Wow. Jetzt geht's zu dir an die Seite, Mann. Alright.
Yes, yes,
Hallo.
Okay, can you move a little bit nice and cozy, butt to butt? Yeah, don't fall off at the end. So more people can sit down.
No.
VIP over here, Agustin. Yeah? Yeah, come over here, please. A little bit further.
Come to you, yeah. Great.
You're very close.
Yeah, I like that.
Woo. You're okay. You're not the first one and you're not the last one. Hoe gaat het, Agustin? Koud. I said, how are you? Cold. Ja? Klaar? Ah, the paparazzi is here. Okay. Hi. It's my good side. The other one is the bad side. I don't give. Okay, good to have you here in the museum. How is your day so far? Cold. Cold. Yeah. But it's dry. Last week we had a lot of rain and it was cold and it was. So now it's healthy weather. But it's cold. I know. But you can take an extra sweater with you. And now we're here all together, nice and cozy. So what did you see today? Cheese.
The dike.
The dike, yeah, you're on the dike. This is the harbor, so on the dike, yes. What did you see? No, nothing. And now you're at Woltjes, so now you are going to see how we make a stroopwafel. Let me introduce myself. My name is Olga. Yeah, here we have the and the r. Olga. It's okay if you film it. Can you turn off the little flashlight? Because at the end of the day, my eyes go like that. Ah, you're too late. You have to do the dishes, sweep the floor. Okay. Ooh, the boss is checking himself. I can handle it. He's small. Sorry? Oh, you want waffles? Okay, perfect. So, what are we going to do? I'm going to show you how we make our famous cookie. They are a little bit... Shall we wake them up? We call it stroopwafel. So now you... They are awake, thank God. Okay. So I'm going to show you how we make it, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the history. When I'm done with the demonstration, please, very important, we do not leave that way, but please allow me to go on the stairs first, and everybody can follow me upstairs. The best part of the demonstration, the eating, yeah, the tasting. Okay, so this is dough, and I'm going to put it in the machine for 1 minute. After 1 minute, I only have the waffle, and then I will finish it and do a... See, they're I have to keep them awake, Augustine. Okay, let me take you back to late 1800s, because that was the time that it all started for Mrs. Woltje. She had her own bakery right here in this lovely village, Volendam. She was making bread and chocolate and selling it to the local people. So the fishermen, the families, and they all had big families. Mrs. Woltje herself married to a fisherman, of course, 9 children, so they had to work really hard. And the sad part is that the husband died during his work as a fisherman, so she has to work double so hard. Around that time, Mrs. Woltje heard that there was a baker in Gouda. We say Gouda, you know it as Gouda or Gouda, the cheese town. And that baker was making a very special cookie. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about that baker, because he was very important for how the stroopwafel came to Volendam. So that baker, at the end of the day, he had all leftovers from everything that he baked that day. And in Holland, we never throw away food. We use everything. So he put the leftovers together like little balls of dough. And of course, no electricity. He had an oven. So then this was his iron. Dough inside. Into the oven. And then he had a waffle. Let me get my waffle over here. And the baker liked this waffle. There was nothing wrong with this waffle. Nah, maybe a little bit dry. And he knew that in Gouda there was a brand new now they are awake. Stroop factory, sorry. So he thought, why don't I put a little bit of stroop on the waffle and then you get a life can be so simple. Stroopwafel. And Mrs. Woltje really liked that idea, and she wanted to make her own stroopwafel here in Volendam. So no leftovers anymore, because she wanted to make something new in her bakery. So flour, butter, sugar, yeast, milk, and 1 egg, and then you have the waffle. And my pot of gold over here. Da, 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 da. Brown sugar with butter, and if you look really good, it depends a little bit on the lights. Do you see the little brown dots inside? What is it? Cinnamon, yeah, cinnamon, to make it more tasty. That's also top secret. Okay. So whatever happens in this room stays in this room, okay? So now we have to make the waffle when it's still warm, otherwise it will break. So I'm going to make it nice and round. And then again you have leftovers, exactly. And I told you we do not throw them away, so Mrs. Woltje sold it to the fishermen so they could catch the fish. Exactly. And nowadays you're on your couch, it's cold outside, you're inside, watching Netflix, snack. So very, very nice eat. And if you can reach it with your arms, you can come and get it. And I will put away the knife. They're like birds. Birds on the dike. Yeah? Okay. So now we have to split the waffle like this. We turn, we turn, we turn, and it's open. You really have to do this when it's hot. Exactly. Okay, the best part.
Wow.
Caramel.
Das sieht toll aus.
Okay, so the other one on top. Then yeah, my r is very loud, eh? Yeah. The other one on top, I press a little bit. So now the caramel is everywhere on your waffle. And this is how we make our famous cookie stroopwafel. I'm going to cut it in a few pieces. How many people do you have, Augustine? Okay. Well, we have more upstairs, right? Don't be scared that you miss a piece.
Sehr gut.
Okay, so this one over here is the traditional one, and the traditional one is always caramel. 1 second for me. Yeah, I hurt my finger today. Yeah, that's... So upstairs, when you want the caramel, it's in the red box or in the red tin. It's exactly the same. The green one, honey flavor. The light brown orange, salted caramel. And the brown one, if I say speculaas to you, do you know what I mean? Okay, speculaas. So in Holland, we also have another cookie, speculaas. It's a cinnamon ginger cookie. And when you open the box, it's Christmas. Right? You know speculaas? So you really can smell the winter. It's very, very nice. It's a crunchy biscuit. And they made a stroopwafel with that flavor. So we have a lot of special offers upstairs. 2 boxes for €10. You can make your own mix. 2 tins for $14.95. You can make your own mix. And this, of course, is the best. Then you have 3 flavors in 1 box for $14.95. Nice present for yourself and for the neighbors who are watching your cats while you're away. Or dog. Okay, so now what are we doing here? Tea, coffee. And normally when you have a cookie, you do like this, right? Don't we all dunk the cookie in the tea or the coffee? But this one, we put it on top. Why? Yeah, we like to... Oh, it's a little bit... It's a fake cookie. It's a real cookie, but it's a fake cookie, so don't try to eat it because you don't want it. It's very hard. So you put it on top of your coffee or tea. We like to eat it warm. So you can do it in the microwave or in the oven. But when you put it on top, the heat goes up and then your waffle will get nice and warm and soft. And that's the tradition how we do it. Thank you so much for your attention. Please allow me to go on the stairs first. And I hope you have a very, very warm night. Yeah? Thank you so much.
Ist lecker.